Look at those waves. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Wavy Talk Hair Crimper. This is the Power Wave Hair Crimper. As you can see, this one looks a little different from other Wavy Talk products. On the top right here, it has these holes. These are going to help with ventilation as you are doing your hair. I like that it has a little grip right here. It's actually on both sides. So as you are pressing down, you are able to grab from here as you are crimping your hair. Now I'm going to show you this unique design. It has this dual crimper. This is a little different from your 3-wave crimper. As you can see, it only has 2 sides. It has that deep V. So it makes it a lot easier, especially if you're a beginner, makes it a lot easier to crimp your hair. All right, and right here, one of my favorite parts is that it does have the swivel cord. So this is going to help if you are working on one end and you need to go to the other end. Then it's very, very helpful that it has this 360-degree cord. Now right here, I'm going to show you, it does have a lock, so you could go ahead and lock it into place. I personally won't be using that. I'll probably use that as I am storing it away, but I do like that it has that as an option. So as you can see, it is not opening. It is currently in a locked position. So take a look at the LED screen. It has it right now. It's in an off mode. I have not turned it on quite yet. I'm going to go ahead and show you now the side here. So as you can see, it has the timer, it has your power, and it has your plus and your minus. This is going to control the temperature right here. Now for your power, you want to go ahead and power it on. And for the timer, there is a variety of timing options available. And timer is actually for how much time you're going to hold it down. Once that timer is up, it's going to beep and let you know to move on to the next wave. Now you might be asking yourself, how much time is enough time and what temperature should I use this? The great thing about this is that a little card is included, so it walks you through the type of hair. So this is for all hair types. It lets you know, depending on your hair type, the temperature, and around what time or how many seconds to leave it on your hair. So whether you have straight hair, you have coarse, thick, medium, or thin hair, and you want to go ahead and find whichever one fits best your type of hair and then select those options. So personally, I have medium hair. It is a bit wavy, a bit frizzy, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the wavy side. I'm going to select medium. So it says it recommends about a temperature from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, around 4 to 8 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my crimper now. Hold that down. As you can see, this does have ion technology, which is going to help with giving your hair that frizz-free, shine, smooth look. I am setting up my timer for 6 seconds and at 360 degrees. It just beeped. It is now ready to be used. So I do like to start from the back and work my way towards the front. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair. Now you do get 2 clips that are included. The clips are to help you separate your hair as you are styling, right? So what you want to do is you want to start from the top, work your way down, hold it down, and then it will beep once you are ready to move to the next section. As you can see, it just beeped. You want to just move it over. A lot of the times people have a hard time crimping their hair. They don't know how. So all you want to do is just slightly move it over and basically start where the other one ended. So if you're a beginner, you don't know how to crimp your hair, this makes it super simple. Just wait for the beep and move to the next spot. And again, you want to start the wave where the last one ended and check that out. I love how easy this is to do. And like I mentioned, it has these little grips. So you can actually hold on to this. And once it beeps, you just want to move it over where that one ends. You want to place it there. So simple. So even if you're a beginner, look at how easy it is to do. The timer is basically walking you through it. All you gotta do is just follow the wave. All right, now that I'm closer to the front of my hair, I want to show you that ventilation system. I like that it distributes the heat evenly and there is less heat damage. Look at those beautiful waves. As you can see, I don't grab much hair. This is how much hair I grab. And I want to let you know, I actually moved it down to 4 seconds. I feel like the 6 seconds was quite a longer time. But again, it's just a preference thing. I think 4 seconds worked perfect. And look at the shine. I currently have it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit with a 4-second timer. Look at those beautiful waves in 4 seconds. This. As you can see, this is the left side of my hair. It is currently done. Look at the shine. Look at those waves. I will be running my fingers through my hair, but I'll do that towards the end. But I did want to show you a comparison on the left side versus the right side. This is the side that I still need to go over. But as you can see, my hair is just frizzy. It is not styled. So let's go ahead and finish this side, and then I'll show you the finished look. All right, look at that. My hair is fully done. That took under 15 minutes. Look at those waves. So what I do like to do is just run my fingers through my hair, separate those waves, just make it look a little messier, a little beachy wave moment. But look at how beautiful, how easy. I love the timer. I love the heat settings. I love the color. So this is perfect for yourself, for a loved one, if you want to gift it to that hair lover, or if you're just somebody that wants the next hot tool that is out in the market, then definitely check this out. This is definitely Millie approved. I'll go ahead and link it down for you if you want to check it out for yourself. And also, please make sure to like and follow for more video reviews. Thank you for watching.